Review. Hi and welcome, audience. Today we have Shafaq from Kolkata. She has completed her law degree and now she is starting her career with Clarivate Analytics. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, how are you feeling that you are from Kolkata and you got job in Kolkata only with
Yeah,
Clarivate?
I'm well warmed and I'm in on seventh heaven. I'm just very happy because my target
Mm-hmm.
from the very first, my
Mm-hmm.
target was Clarivate and I got it.
Mm-hmm.
And the location is Kolkata also.
Yeah, awesome, awesome. So tell me something about when you did your law degree, and so what were the struggles which you were facing when you completed your law degree?
Now in pandemic,
Mm-hmm.
the courts are not open, and for juniors, it's very difficult to practice
Yeah.
because the seniors are in the litigation matter,
Mm-hmm.
they are working actually. But for juniors, it's very difficult nowadays to practice
Mm-hmm.
in regular basis.
Mm-hmm.
So for myself, I think it's IPR field. It's very good for a lawyer because after analysis, like I join as patent analyst.
Mm-hmm.
After analysis, I can be a patent agent also. So
Mm-hmm.
there I can do my litigation matter by myself only. So
Absolutely.
this is also a plus point in this field. I think so.
Great, awesome. So you told me your in from the beginning only your target was Clarivate.
Yeah,
So how
and
did
I'll
you
fulfill my dream.
so how did you choose? Because when you complete your law degree you have a lot of options like taxation, corporate law, but yeah, you chose specifically IP, and that to a very good company, Clarivate. So how did
Yeah.
you do your research for that?
I think in taxations or in any other law like criminal or civil, in Indian law is only for India only.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this IPR field you can work another country also, not only in India.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that if I'm willing to settle in any other country apart from India, so I can work there also by
Mm-hmm.
using my knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
So I think this field is much more interesting than any other,
Mm-hmm.
like
Uh,
taxation and criminal like
mhm.
this.
So, explain your struggling days when you were struggling. So, were there were like
Yeah, it
such
was
nights when you were thinking what to do?
yeah, it was a very troubling period I faced, and there was nothing left in my hand. And that time, unfortunately, or by luckily, I can say, I got a call from Kamakshi
Mm-hmm.
that after 3 months you will get opportunity from us of three interview, more than three it can be. So join this.
Mm-hmm.
तो मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं यहाँ हुआ and I joined IIPTA
Mm-hmm.
and I got success, I think.
Yes, absolutely. So, what did you really liked about the program when you were studying with us or doing the mentoring?
First, first of all, ma'am, your teaching method, it was very good. And I am a very mediocre student.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, it was very difficult to understand some difficult law points.
Mm-hmm.
But मैं जब आपका क्लास अटेंड करती थी
Mm-hmm.
मुझे कभी कुछ डिफिकल्ट लगा नहीं. It
Mm-hmm.
was become easier, much more easier.
Mm-hmm.
So और interact session जो चलता था
Mm-hmm.
that was the best part of our class.
Mm-hmm.
सो वहां से मुझे जो नॉलेज मिला आई थिंक जो फ्रेशर्स है जो लॉ
Mm-hmm.
फ्रेशर्स है वो लोग अगर एनालिसिस में जाते हैं तो दे कांट वर्क लाइक अस.
Mm-hmm.
मैं आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग लाइक आई ज्वाइन फ्रॉम 23rd of this month,
Mm-hmm.
but I know I have knowledge about
Mm-hmm.
this line and मेरी जो सीनियर है and she is very impressed कि
Mm-hmm.
यू नो सो मेनी थिंग्स जो फ्रेशर्स लोग नहीं जानते हैं. तो आई थिंक कि सबको थोड़ा नॉलेज होने के बाद ही अगर वो ज्वाइन करते हैं तो जॉब भी जरा इजी हो जाता है.
Mm-hmm.
सो ये जो आप जो कोर्स है ना इसका मेन पार्ट यही है कि यू गेट द नॉलेज अबाउट बेसिक नॉलेज.
Mm-hmm.
जो जॉब के बाद वो प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं होता है, काम करने में वो बहुत इजी हो जाता है.
Mm-hmm. Great, awesome. I'm so happy that your boss or your manager is also happy with your work.
Very happy and he was like my interview was conducted from Paris.
Mm-hmm.
Eric was
Oh
there
wow.
and he was so impressed by me that yeah, you know so many things like what is infringement, what is revocation, and what is the opposite, what is different. Mainly they asked me what is the difference between opposition and revocation,
Okay.
and when a person can file and where to file. And I answered them correctly, and he was, oh, you're a fresher. Yeah, sir. But you never worked anywhere? No, sir, I never worked. No, you know so many things. Yes. I just trained for just only 3 months. Yes, it was 3 months a period, course training period, and I learned all this from there.
ग्रेट ऑसम सो मुझे बताओ कि जब आप कॉलेज में पढ़ते हो और वहाँ पे जो पढ़ाया जाता है और जो आपने जॉब ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्राम किया ये वाला, इन दोनों में आपने पढ़ाई में क्या अंतर पाया?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो कॉलेज में होता है वो बेसिकली थ्योरी के ऊपर जाता है, नॉट प्रैक्टिकल. बट हियर वी स्टडीड प्रैक्टिकल आल्सो, हाउ टू वर्क, हाउ टू सर्च, वेयर टू सर्च. इफ वी आर नॉट इन इंडिया, वी कैन सर्च आल्सो. If we are, suppose we are in USA or Europe, so there also we can conduct like EPO search, USPTO from there or WIPO. So ये जो सर्च है ना, ये सर्च लाइक कॉलेज में ये सब नहीं होता. इस नॉलेज सेक्शन वाइज, ये वाइज, like patent searching, analyzing, how to prepare patent drafting, claiming, these all things, practical thing basically.
तो इन स्ट्रगलिंग डेज में जब आप ट्रांजिशन कर रहे थे और ये किसने आपका सपोर्ट किया, या फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स?
My family, and I suggest my friends also that is a very good institution. Please go. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. Each and everything, every notes, every audio, video was very clear and very helpful. और मुझे I am impressed, totally impressed कि I learned something.
ग्रेट ऑसम. तो बीइंग अ बंगाली, अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप एक बंगाली में मैसेज दें अदर लॉ स्टूडेंट्स को जो स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स होंगे कोलकाता में जैसे वो बहुत स्ट्रगल करते हैं और उन्हें पता नहीं होता. तो आई वांट अ स्मॉल मैसेज फ्रॉम योर एक्सपीरियंस.
দেখো, যখন তুমি ল পাস আউট হচ্ছ তখন প্র্যাকটিসের লাইনটা ওপেন আছেই, কিন্তু তার আগে যদি কিছু কোর্স করে নাও যেটা তোমার জব নিতে হেল্প করবে, এবং ফার্দার তুমি এটা নিয়ে আরো কিছু রিসার্চ হোক, অ্যানালাইসিস হোক, তুমি প্যাটার্ন এজেন্ট করতে পারবে. আমি বলবো ল প্র্যাকটিস থেকে এটা অনেক বেটার. আর অ্যাটলিস্ট নলেজ হয়ে যাবে কিভাবে কি করতে হয়, অনেক বেটার লাইন. জব সিকিউরিটিও অনেক ভালো, করতে পারো. এটা এটা খুবই ভালো. আমি এক্সপেরিয়েন্স করেছি আর আমাকে ভালো লাগছে, আর যে কাজ আমি করছি সেটাও ভেরি ইন্টারেস্টিং. কোনো প্রবলেম হবে না, খুব ভালো. তোমরাও চেষ্টা করতে পারো.
Thank you. It was so beautiful. I liked your language and just so beautiful. So thank you so much for taking out time to talk to me. And
I want to thanks you, ma'am, for your just आप जो mentorship करते हैं ना, just I am overwhelmed. Like, thank you so much.
It is all your hard work. Look, it has to be from both the ends. My job is to help you, to encourage you, but it is all your hard work and all your time and efforts which you put in, which has given you the success. And this is just a beginning. You are into industry and there's a long way to go. There's a long way to go.
Yes. And यहाँ in this field, ये globally काम होता है, so there are lots of things to learn also.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much for taking out time, and
thank you so much. My pleasure.
Surely we'll be in touch with you, and more and more blessings to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.